We have the one that exfoliates your skin, the one that repairs your skin, and the one that tightens your pores. Hello everyone, how are you doing today? If you're new, welcome to Beauty Farm. I'm Jajani and today I'm going to show you guys 3 different gram flour masks that you can try at home. We have the one that exfoliates your skin, the one that repairs your skin, and the one that tightens your pores. Gram flour is a popular ingredient when it comes to DIYs, and they are made from grounded chickpeas, and sometimes they're referred to as Besan flour. Gram flour is loved because it's a gentle, natural ingredient that is suitable for all skin types, and it's well known for treating acne since it has zinc that fights infections. People use gram flour to brighten their skin and to exfoliate dead skin cells, not just on the face but the whole body. And we even used it in our video for how to lighten dark patches on our elbows. In that video, we mixed gram flour with turmeric and lemon juice. So if you're curious for that recipe, check that video out. But in this video, we have 3 other different recipes for you to try out. So subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and let's get started. First, we have a mask to exfoliate dead skin cells. You need gram flour and yogurt. Leave this on for 15 minutes and slowly rub them off and rinse with water. Use this twice a week. Next, we have a mask to help repair your skin barrier. You need gram flour and green tea. Leave this on for 15 minutes and rinse with water, and apply them twice a week. Lastly, we have a mask to tighten your pores. You need gram flour, egg whites, and honey. Leave this on for 10 to 15 minutes and wash it off. Use this once a week. There you go, 3 DIY gram flour masks that you can try at home. Taking care of our skin is so important, and if you're someone who enjoys making DIYs, you should definitely check out our recipes and try them out. Leave a comment on which mask that you are willing to try and let us know a recipe that works for you. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!